Does your team field countless simple customer queries that would be better self-served? In this Zendesk Unlocked video, I'm going to show you how to customize your autoresponder based on the customer's intent. That way, we can use an automated email and not your agent's time to deliver to the customer the vital information that they need instantly. Let's go. Before we create our new auto-reply, let's add a couple of conditions to our existing auto-reply trigger so that it doesn't fire at the same time as our new one. First, add a condition so that it only fires if the auto-reply fired tag isn't present. Otherwise, it will fire as well as your new auto-reply. Now let's go ahead and make our new auto-reply trigger using the following conditions. Ticket status is new and agent replies less than 1. Those two are a workaround to ensure that the new trigger only fires for new inbound tickets. Then, add your two intent-based conditions. For this example, we're going to be creating an auto-reply that automatically responds to your customer, telling them how to change their phone number when they ask how to do it. A menial task that your agents don't need to be spending their time on. Set the intent you want your trigger to fire on, and set another condition so that Zendesk only fires this trigger when it's highly confident that the intent is about a requested phone number change. Conditions completed. Now, let's add our actions. First up, let's send a message to the user with some updated copy relevant to their request. We're going to use the auto-reply action rather than the old school notification action, which won't work so well with intents. Now, let's add that crucial tag that will tell your standard auto-reply trigger not to fire if this trigger has already fired. Pro tip, let's add a unique tag that we can also use in Explore to report on this trigger's usage. Finally, let's set this ticket status to pending so it doesn't clog up your agent's views. Edit the order of your triggers so that your new trigger that auto-replies based on intent is above your default notification trigger. To check it's working, let's send an email in asking to change our phone number and see what we get back. That's it. You can now duplicate your trigger for as many intents as you want, helping your customers self-serve and saving your team heaps of time.